after years of cleaning homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Professionals all agree on one thing: a truly clean environment changes people. It affects mood, focus, health, energy, even confidence. And the final professional hack: they clean with intention, not just for appearance, but for how a space makes people feel. Because deep cleaning isn't really about perfection, it's about creating peace. A clean kitchen feels calmer, a fresh bedroom feels safer, an organized office feels more productive. That's the hidden power of cleanliness most people overlook. And now you know the same professional strategies experts use every day. So the next time you clean, you won't just remove dirt, you'll transform the environment around you, and maybe even transform yourself with it. If you enjoyed this deep cleaning series, subscribe to Cleaning Facility Services for more professional cleaning secrets, smart facility strategies, and powerful transformations that make every space better living.